question. A postman can sort out 738 letters in 6 hours. How many letters can be sorted in 9 hours? So we'll assume the required number of letters to be x. So the number of letters and the required time to sort out 738 letters, the postman requires 6 hours. So he's taking 9 hours to sort out how many number of letters. So we have assumed that to be x. So as you can see, the number of letters and the required time are in direct proportion. So we'll take x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So the values are 738 divided by 6, which is equal to x divided by 9. From here you get x value to be 738 into 9 divided by 6. So when you cancel, you will get 123. 123 into 9, you will get 1107. So therefore, in 9 hours, 1107 letters can be sorted. 8th question. If half a meter of cloth cost ₹15, find the cost of 8 1/3 meters of the same cloth. So we'll assume the cost of the cloth required to be x. So we'll write in tabular column cost of cloth in rupees, then length of cloth in meters. So for 15 rupees you get half a meter of cloth. So to buy 8 1/3 meter we require x rupees. So 8 1/3, when you convert you will get 25 by 3. And as we can see, the cost and the length are in direct proportion. We get x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So when you substitute the values, we'll get 15 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to x divided by 25 by 3. Cross multiply, we'll get 15 into 25 by 3 is equal to x into 1 by 2. So you can cancel 3 and 15 by 5. Then 5 into 25 will get 125 is equal to x into 1 by 2. You need the value of x, so send 2 to your LHS. So x is equal to 125 into 2. So when you multiply, you will get x value to be 250. Therefore, cost of 8 1/3 meter of cloth is rupees 250. 9th question. The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books? Using unitary method. So write weight of 72 books is equal to 9 kg. So 9 kg, when you are writing in terms of gram, we'll get 9000 gram. So from this, find weight of one book. So weight of one book is equal to 9000 divided by 72. So when you divide, you'll get 125. So this is the weight for one book. Now you need to find the weight of 40 books. So weight of 40 books is nothing but multiply 125 into 40 will get 5000 gram, which is nothing but 5 kilogram. Therefore weight of 40 books is 5 kilogram.